guys, we are here making what is the recipe called, Nana? To Die For carrot cake recipe we Nana got from Pinterest. Alright, so everybody is raving about this carrot cake. So Nana is going to show us how to do it, and we're double batching. Okay, so Nana, so what do we have?
1 1/4 cups of unsweetened applesauce, which makes it 2 1/2 cups.
Okay, 2 1/2 cups applesauce, and remember we're double batching.
2 cups of granulated sugar, so we have 4 cups.
Oh wow, lots of sugar. 4 cups.
And then 3 eggs, room temperature. So we've got 3 eggs. One of them's a double yolker, so I still counted it as 1.
Okay.
See, it's a little twin. Blend this real quick.
Okay. Here we go. Mix it well.
Okay, so we've got that. And then we add the second batch of ingredients, which is 2 cups of all-purpose flour, but again, doubling, so we're adding 4. I certainly hope this all fits. So I'm going to just incorporate that a little bit, just so we don't get a big fluff. We're going to add 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 1/2 teaspoons baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt, all in here. And I just mix it all together and doubled it. Mix. We are going to add 4 cups of grated carrot.
Oh wow.
That's going to be interesting. A cup of crushed pineapple.
Oh.
With the juice.
Oh.
That's what's going to make it really moist too. And a teaspoon of vanilla. Oh boy. Nice and slow.
Two batches, friends, is filled to the rim of the KitchenAid mixer. That's a lot. Okay, we're gonna transfer it to a bigger bowl because the last ingredient we need to add is the sweetened coconut. All right, we transferred it to a bigger bowl.
Add 2 cups of coconut, sweetened flakes, and 2 cups of chopped nuts. You can use walnuts or pecans. I like walnuts in a carrot cake. Oh my goodness.
So if you guys notice with the batch, there's no oil or butter.
Applesauce and moist carrots.
There. Oh. All right, transfer them into, is this 8-inch round?
Those are 9-inch.
9-inch round pans?
You can use 3 8-inch or 2 9-inch. I only have 9-inch. I think a triple layer is almost too big. Oh my gosh, I've got so much extra.
Yeah. So here's more, and then Nana, we're gonna put them in the oven for,
I believe 25 minutes.
25 minutes. All right, here we go. This is the frosting for it. And Nana, what does it call for?
It calls for 1 cup of softened butter, 16 ounces of cream cheese softened, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and 2 pounds of powdered sugar.
Okay, there we go. And that's working out just fine. And so we're just gonna turn this on until it's smooth and creamy.
I have to add a little more powdered sugar.
Okay. And we're doubling the batch. So that's why it's looking a little bit messy, because we apparently need a bigger KitchenAid mixer. Like 3 times the size. Here is the cream cheese icing. It's all ready. We're just letting the
cakes cool.
Yeah, we're just letting the cakes cool. So the bigger cakes are being cooled, but Nana also made like a smaller cake version, and we're just gonna let that cool, and then we're gonna place the icing and then bring it to the party. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you guys for watching A Simply Simple Life. Mahalo. Alright, here is the cake. Nana finished it up. She did some walnuts and sweetened coconut. Seems like she toasted it up, put it on top, and then she applied the icing, made it to the party.
Extra icing.
Extra. Alright, here is Nana's carrot cake. So good.